Okie doke. Here's another testing video for myself. And here we go. Got a brand new microphone, so hopefully this works out. Okay. Damn. Damn. Whoa, it's packing heat. Jesus. Okay. But yeah, I just got a brand new microphone. Hopefully it's all working out real good on my end, I guess. I do love to hear the sounds of the game, but you know, I'd also really like to hear the voices of my friends. Whoever decides to come play with me. Oh, Jesus. Oh, bitch. Jesus. Motherfucker. Okay. I got killed. At this point in time, I also really got a nice new TV, so pretty excited about that. Jesus Christ. I love how legit the gun sound. What the fuck? It's packing heat. Jesus. Bitch. Wait, what did I just do? Oh, sick. I got a Glock too, bitch. Oh man. Alright. But yeah. New tech. New stuff. Jesus. New death, I guess. Let me try my best not to be too loud because once again it is a late hour in the night.
Try Gadgetron's Glove of Doom. This life-saving gadget lets you attack your enemies from a safe distance.
Oh, they're so cute though. Oh, Jesus. Kills bitch. Alright. I'm packing you too. Shit. Yeah, that's right. Alright, but just a note to myself, once again, on the microphone, just make sure to select it in the settings, all that shit. Also remember to set up the noise canceling mode. Touch the button and it'll turn green, all that good shit. You guys have no idea what I'm talking about, but this will make sense only to me. Gosh. And at this point in time, I'm thinking about doing hopefully like if everything goes well, I want to do like a Halloween type of special. You know, I've been getting back into the PS2, so a bunch of PS2 stuff. Probably a lot of PS2 content, honestly, for this channel, hopefully. And whatever the hell I want, because it's my channel, so there you go. Oh. Yeah. I love my new TV. It's so cool. Oh, bitch. Jesus. Yeah, I should start shooting things. Oh, well, fuck. Yeah. Start using your Glock, Helen. And I also have my microphone sat between my legs. Not a very professional setting, but whatever. Whatever. This is what I do. You know? This is casual, it's not supposed to be professional. Shit. Alright. I love those sound effects. Okay. Probably gonna upload this. This is kind of just like a junk video, like the last one that I did. But yeah, more to come soon. Like proper Hopper stuff to come soon, so look forward to that. Me. Yeah, I don't know if anyone's gonna watch this, but it doesn't matter. I'll just be happy to do it, you know? Memories.